I am making some kind of hamburger mush. I haven't decided yet. I usually make things up as I go along. I'm probably going to put some keto chow in there. But this is 3 pounds of hamburger meat. A higher fat one too, because you know it's cheaper. Let's see what happens. Redmond's real salt. It's getting cooked. Mush it around a little bit. I'm gonna go with the creamy tomato basil by Keto Chow. I know this is like 3 pounds of meat, but I'm only gonna put 1 serving of this in there. And I thought about just sprinkling it in, but then I read the directions on the back and it says to whisk it. So I moved some of the fat and juices into a bowl and I will pour it in there and whisk it because the fat from the meat is my fat source. Okay, I had to tilt the bowl to get it mixed real good, but that's pretty creamy. Well, I hope. And let's just pour it back in. All right, I'm gonna have to set you down and scrape that out. There we go. All right, you can add a vegetable of your choice. I don't have any. So this is almost carnivore. I would say ketovore because of whatever's in the keto chow. Keto chow is not necessarily carnivore. But that's just some meat mush. That's what I call it. Okay, there's some in my to-go container for tomorrow at work. There's some in my right now container about to go in my mouth. Kind of tastes like pizza. You could top it with different things. You could put sour cream on top, but I'm staying away from dairy right now, so I don't have any sour cream. Ooh, cheese. I could put cheese. That's not too dairy.